Welcome to the U.S. Bankruptcy Court District of Oregon's Notice and Motion for Relief from Stay web-based training. In this module, you will learn how to locate the required forms and the event to use for filing a Notice and Motion for Relief from Stay. Please note that any documents used in this and other training modules are examples only. It is important that you review any real documents you will be filing in the live database for accuracy and completeness prior to uploading them to the case for filing. You may access the ECF online manuals by clicking the info link at the top of most ECF screens. Click on the category Motions Applications and then click on Motion for Relief from Stay. The online manuals give step-by-step and screen-by-screen instructions for each event. Chapters 7 and 13, Motions for Relief from Stay, require local bankruptcy forms, or LBFs, 720, the Notice of Motion for Relief from Automatic Stay in a Chapter 7 or 13 case or a Chapter 13 co-debtor stay, and Local Bankruptcy Form 720.80, the Chapter 7 or 13 motion for relief from debtor stay or in a Chapter 13 co-debtor stay. Chapters 11 and 12 require Local Bankruptcy Form 1124, Notice of Motion for Relief from Automatic Stay in a Chapter 11 or 12 case and of hearing thereon. To obtain a hearing date for Chapters 11 or 12, contact the judge's calendar clerk. To locate LBFs 720 and 720.80, click on the LBFs link located at the top of your screen. This link will take you directly to the list of all the court's local bankruptcy forms. If you're not familiar with combining PDF documents, access the online manual by clicking the info link at the top of the screen. Locate the general category. Select the manual titled ECF Filing Basics. Locate the instructions titled Combining PDFs into one document. You may also access the web-based training modules regarding combining PDFs into one document from our webpage www.orb.uscourts.gov. After preparing your notice and motion for relief from automatic stay and logging into ECF, under the Bankruptcy heading, select the category Motions Applications. Enter the case number and click Next. Under Available Events, either by scrolling down, select Relief from Stay, or in the available search field, type the word Relief. There are several Relief from Stay events. Click on Relief from Stay so that it appears in the Selected Events box. Click Next. The Select the Party screen displays. Select the party filer if listed. For this exercise, we will add the party filer. Click on Add Create New Party. Refer to the Style Guide when adding new parties, and when adding a party you represent, do not add an address except when adding debtors, defendants, or filing a proof of claim. We will add TMCC. In the last business name field, enter TMCC and click Search. The party search results display. Select the filer without an address. Click on Select Name from List. The party information screen displays. The party filer's name displays. The default role type will be blank, and it is extremely important that you select the correct role type creditor for the party. Click on the down arrow and select Creditor. Click Submit. The Select the Party screen displays with the party filer highlighted. Click Next. If this is the first time you have filed a document on behalf of this party filer, an association screen will display asking you to associate yourself with the party filer selected on the previous screen. Make sure the box is checked and click Next. Reminder messages will display. Be sure to comply with all reminders or your motion may be stricken. Click Next. A case confirmation screen displays. Confirm the case number and debtor name are correct. click Next. If the party filer is a U.S. government agency or a child support creditor, change the default to Yes and attach the required form to the back of the motion for relief. If you answer yes, text will be automatically added to the docket text. For this exercise, leave the default at No. Click Next. The filing fee for the motion displays. If you are attaching an affidavit, declaration, certification, brief, or memorandum, change the default to Yes. For this exercise, we will leave the default at No. Click Next. The Browse window displays. Click on Browse and locate the file for Notice and Motion for Relief from Stay. Highlight and alternate click on the file name. Open the document to confirm the document is the correct one. After confirming the document is correct, close Adobe by clicking on the red X in the upper right-hand corner. Click Open, which places the file name in the Browse window. Click Next. The modified docket text screen displays. Read the docket text to confirm the information is correct. There's a 30-character open text field to add a brief description of the collateral. Confirm the docket text is correct. Click Next. The docket text final text screen displays. Read the docket text to confirm the information is correct and you have redacted. The information entered in the open text field on the previous screen displays in italics. If any of the information is incorrect, click on the bankruptcy heading and start over. If after accepting the docket text you discover an error, you must contact the court before continuing. The court will instruct you on how to proceed. If the error is document related, you may be instructed to refile the correct document. Other errors may be corrected by the court. Click Next. The Summary of Current Charges pop-up box displays. You may click on Pay Now or Continue Filing. Any pending fees not paid within 24 hours will result in an email notification of non-payment, and you will not be able to file any documents until the outstanding fees are paid. For today's exercise, we will click on Continue Filing. The Notice of Electronic Filing, or NEF, displays. The NEF provides the document number, the docket text, the parties receiving electronic notification of the filing of the document, and those parties who may not receive electronic notification of filing. You may print the Notice of Electronic Filing now or anytime by accessing the docket report and clicking on the silver ball located on the docket report next to the document number. Thank you for participating in this web-based ECF training module. Please note the court phone numbers and the U.S. Bankruptcy Court District of Oregon's website as shown on the screen for future reference. We encourage you to contact the court with any questions you may have.